I think that AI has the potential to eliminate nearly all human suffering in the next couple of decades.
In November 2022, an AI chatbot feature took the world by storm, threatening to dethrone a trillion-dollar tech company that so far managed to stand the test of time and progress. Many might say Google's place in the tech world is unshakable, but the Gmail creator disagrees. Paul Butcheat confirmed that ChatGPT would spell the end of Google's search engine, which is essentially the lifeblood of the company, meaning your go-to search engine will soon become a relic of the past. Even if it managed to catch up, Google couldn't embrace this new model without killing the most valuable part of its business. Google should be scared. Very scared. Or are we being a tad dramatic? Let's rewind. Google has dominated the search engine space since it was founded in 1998. It has always provided users with the most relevant and accurate search results using a complex algorithm that takes into account hundreds of different factors to decide the order in which websites appear to you in the results. Its unfathomable index of web pages means it can provide search results for a wide range of queries. We have become so dependent on this function that the word Google has been adopted as a verb in several languages. When you want to find an answer to a question, any question, you Google it. So far, it has maintained the #1 spot because it has adapted. From optimizing itself to mobile searches and using AI to scan website content effectively to develop Google Maps, Drive, and Suite, the company has always strived to understand the user's needs and cater to them. But there was one thing they just could not account for. On November 30th, 2022, Joshua Kelly, a Y Combinator alum, took to Twitter to drop the bombshell that would be retweeted by the Gmail creator himself. His tweet began with, "Google is over," and he provided examples of how Google answered a query in contrast to ChatGPT. Compare it, because there's a clear winner. One provides a detailed explanation while keeping it short and effective. The other provides no context. We are ultimately unwilling to traverse hundreds of web pages to find the answer. It doesn't matter how much content Google stores, we just want a specific answer to our question at the drop of a hat. That is the human condition. We want quick and efficient solutions. And this is where it began, in the offices of OpenAI. OpenAI is a research organization created by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, along with several entrepreneurs and researchers who wanted to ensure that the development of AI would be aligned with human values and would be used to benefit humanity. OpenAI states that its aim is to advance and promote friendly artificial intelligence. To achieve that, the platform conducts research in several areas, including machine learning, robotics, economics, and computer science. OpenAI works with a number of guidelines and principles for the ethical development and use of AI, working with policymakers and stakeholders to ensure those principles are followed. In November 2022, OpenAI created its language models, ChatGPT and GPT-2. ChatGPT is a machine learning model trained on a large dataset of text, allowing it to generate natural, realistic text by predicting the next word in a sequence based on the context of words that come before it. And despite being around for only 2 months, GPT has been successful in many language generation tasks, including chatbots. It is perfectly capable of carrying out a natural conversation with the user, breaking down anything from cooking processes to quantum mechanics. To say ChatGPT erupted out of the blue would be a lie. Back in 2016, tech giants like Facebook, Microsoft, and yes, Google, were touting digital assistants and how they would revolutionize the relationship between man and machine. They boasted of the potential of chatbots in ordering food and groceries, booking plane tickets, and providing relevant information at the drop of a hat. But none of these companies actually ended up creating that technology. Chatbots have come a long way since their early days of providing simple responses to basic queries on corporate websites or helping customers with billing issues. Some of these remain primitive, others are more advanced, and ChatGPT in particular is leading the way in the field of natural language processing. Not only that, it is proving to be a far more efficient search result than Google. But in addition to giving you helpful answers, it is a powerful tool to help generate content, from blog posts, Twitter threads, and cold emails to contracts and letters. ChatGPT has become a way for businesses and individuals to feel empowered and independent. In fact, let's just ask ChatGPT what it can do for us. Those who got in early have demonstrated the AI's ability to engage in extended conversations and even generate software code. This is a major milestone for the development of chatbots and could pave the way for more advanced conversational AI in the future. So, we've seen what this new AI program can do. We've seen how powerful it is, how much more efficient it is as a search engine, and how it can generate code and content. But can it really replace Google? When you ask ChatGPT this question, it says no. It states, as a large language model, I can provide you with a wide range of information and assistance, but I am not designed to be a replacement for a search engine like Google. While I can certainly provide you with information and assistance, I'm not able to search the entire internet in the same way that a search engine can. I am trained on a large dataset of text, so I can provide you with information and assistance based on what I've learned from that dataset. Sure, but this doesn't mean it will never be capable of disrupting Google and every other search engine. Neural networks like ChatGPT are designed to process and analyze large amounts of data in order to make predictions or decisions. In the case of language processing, this means that the neural network analyzes a sentence and uses its training to predict the most likely next word based on the words that came before it. By predicting the next word with a high degree of accuracy, the neural network is able to create responses that are coherent and sound very human-like. This method of providing information feels far more organic, grounded, and comfortable than an intimidating encyclopedia of blue and purple links giving us only pieces of the puzzle. Which is why ChatGPT is in the perfect position to disrupt the Google search engine, Google's proverbial golden goose. Unlike Google, which requires you to go through hundreds of links, articles, papers, and journals to find the information you're looking for, ChatGPT gives you a clean, concise answer in a fraction of the time. That means people will be far more interested in asking questions to ChatGPT than going on Google, leading to fewer companies paying for advertising on Google. Furthermore, agencies and freelancers that offer SEO services to help companies rank high on Google will see a devastating drop in customers, simply because nobody's using Google anymore. ChatGPT is also beginning to make an impact in academia, law, and several other sectors. For now, only in a professional capacity, but it can soon take over creatively as well. In December 2022, barely a month after the launch of ChatGPT, renowned data scientist Tobias Swingman used the platform to generate his lecture notes. The chief technology officer at Ironclad, Kygo Gwilt, used ChatGPT to summarize any changes made to legal documents. Min Chen, the vice president at legal research and data company LexisNexis, stated that her team is in the process of testing ChatGPT, even though they already use OpenAI's GPT-3 software through Microsoft's Azure cloud. For her, GPT-3 is a better product because it's an enterprise product that can be customized, though it does have a long way to go, and it isn't quite capable yet of making decisions. And while Google obviously cannot help us with making a decision, it's worth noting that Google provides us with sources of information that might help us come to a conclusion, while ChatGPT gives us one straightforward answer. We've spent this video telling you why this is brilliant, but it's worth noting where this system can fall apart. Biases are a problem in every AI-powered software. So like all AI products, ChatGPT has the potential to learn the biases of people training it, causing it to spit out some sexist, racist, and generally offensive information. There are some troubling screenshots of the GPT-3 AI generating tweets when prompted with a single race or nationality. In addition, Mozilla Foundation Senior Fellow Abeba Birhan shared how ChatGPT had produced song lyrics that implied women who wear lab coats are probably just there to clean the floor, whereas men wearing lab coats probably got the knowledge on the skills you're looking for. These models are not sentient and rely heavily on the data provided to them, so biased inputs will lead to biased outputs. To its credit, OpenAI has tried to build in guardrails that will decline inappropriate requests, but it's not perfect. Even Sam Altman, the current CEO of OpenAI, has said, "The GPT-3 hype is way too much. It's impressive, thanks for the nice compliments, but it still has serious weaknesses and sometimes makes very silly mistakes. AI is going to change the world, but GPT-3 is just a very early glimpse. We have a lot still to figure out." OpenAI has already put out its statement saying the team is working on bias problems, warning users that it would be a mistake to rely on it for everything. So, Google is safe, for now. Google's role at this point is to verify the information provided by ChatGPT. But if the AI model continues to grow in popularity, Google will be forced to adapt its core search technology to center on chat, We've learned that the future of search engines will likely be driven by artificial intelligence. While current AI models have limitations and may not be suitable for widespread use, ChatGPT and other large language models have proven the potential of this technology. AI will have a disruptive impact not only on the individuals, but also on major corporations around the world. It's all a question of whether they can keep up or not. It is likely that in the far future, AI chatbots will have advanced to the point where they're able to fully replace search engines such as Google. While this may seem like a distant prospect, the rapid progress of AI technology suggests that it's not outside the realm of possibility. Chatbots have already demonstrated their ability to handle a wide range of tasks and interactions, and as they continue to improve, it is possible that they will eventually surpass the capabilities of traditional search engines. It will be interesting to see how this technology develops in the coming years, and how it will shape the way we access information online. Now, this entire video was written by a human, but we decided to ask ChatGPT to write us that conclusion. Could you tell the difference? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for new developments in AI and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.